Now, I know a lot of you are taking this course because you want to build your own project, your own app. Now, what are some of the things to think about when you want to pursue this path of becoming an entrepreneur or starting a startup? Now, one of the first things to think about, one of the most important things is to know what are the most core features of this product. Really get clarity. Map it out, draw it out, write out all the bullets, all the functionality that you want, and then simplify it. Boil it down to the core fundamental thing that is different about your product and how it's going to stand out in the market. And once you've got that clarity, then try to build that simplest version of your product. Don't start right at the end. I often hear students who say, I want to build something that is a cross between Facebook and Twitter with a sprinkle of Snapchat. And that project is probably not going to happen. And if it does, it's not going to go well because it's too ambitious to start with. What you want to do is you want to start off building something like a skateboard. And then you build something more like a push bike. And then you go up to a bicycle, and then you go up to a car. Instead of just, setting your ambitions on, I'm going to build this fantastic Ferrari. And then when your motivation kind of wanes, you've only built 4 wheels and nobody can use it. It's not going to motivate you to keep building, and you'll probably give up on the project. So start small, start with the core functionality, build it, and then get feedback. The quicker that you can get into this feedback loop where people are using your product and giving you tips on what else they would like to see, or what are the things that are not working so well in the app, or what are the things that would really improve their user experience, then you can start improving on it, and then you're getting into a product development cycle. And that is really, really crucial for success as an entrepreneur. So have a think about some of those things I said and see if you can apply them to your project.